Suzuki SV650 Best Motorcycle for Beginners. Aspiring motorcyclists often seek a bike that combines approachable power, user-friendly features, and versatility. The Suzuki SV650 has emerged as a remarkable choice, redefining the perception of beginner motorcycles. With its balanced performance, adaptable design, and rider-friendly attributes, the SV650 proves to be the best motorcycle for beginners looking to embark on a thrilling yet controlled riding journey. Balanced power and performance. The heart of the Suzuki SV650 lies in its 645cc V-twin engine, which strikes a delicate balance between power and manageability. While providing a punchy acceleration and ample torque for both city cruising and highway travel, the engine's smooth delivery ensures that beginners are not overwhelmed by abrupt power surges, enabling them to gain confidence at their own pace. Forgiving handling and stability. Designed with novice riders in mind, the SV650 offers a well-balanced chassis and suspension setup. The bike's stability and predictable handling characteristics inspire confidence, allowing new riders to navigate various road conditions and corners with ease. This attribute encourages skill progression and fosters a sense of control from the very beginning. Versatile riding experience. The SV650's versatility is a key factor that sets it apart. It is equally at home on city streets, open highways, and winding roads. Whether it's daily commuting, weekend adventures, or longer trips, the SV650 adapts effortlessly, making it an ideal companion for riders eager to explore different riding scenarios. Comfort-oriented design. The motorcycle's ergonomics are designed to prioritize rider comfort. The slightly upright riding position reduces strain on the wrists, back, and shoulders, making longer rides more enjoyable. This comfort-oriented approach caters to both daily commutes and extended journeys, enhancing the overall riding experience for beginners. Modest aesthetics with modern touches. The SV650 maintains a modest and timeless design, with sleek lines and minimalistic aesthetics. The blend of classic and modern design elements adds to the bike's appeal and ensures that beginners can ride a motorcycle that is stylish yet not overly intimidating. Advanced safety features. Safety is a paramount concern for beginner riders, and the SV650 addresses this by offering features such as optional ABS, anti-lock braking system. ABS technology provides additional control during braking, minimizing the risk of a lock-up and ensuring more confident stops, especially in emergency situations. Smooth transmission and clutch. The SV650's 6-speed transmission and clutch mechanism are designed to be smooth and user-friendly. The seamless gear shifts and predictable clutch engagement contribute to a more forgiving riding experience, especially for those who are new to manual transmissions. Customization potential. The SV650 offers a platform for personalization, enabling riders to make the bike uniquely theirs. From aftermarket accessories to custom paint jobs, beginners can add their personal touch to the bike, establishing a stronger bond between rider and machine. Long-term value. One of the most noteworthy aspects of the SV650 is its potential to grow with the rider. Its balanced performance and adaptable nature mean that beginners won't outgrow the bike too quickly. As skills develop, the SV650 continues to offer an exciting and fulfilling riding experience, making it a long-term investment. Conclusion. The Suzuki SV650 has redefined the concept of a beginner motorcycle, offering a harmonious blend of power, handling, versatility, and rider-friendly features. With its balanced performance, adaptable design, and comfort-focused approach, the SV650 is the epitome of a motorcycle that caters to beginners while accommodating their growth as motorcyclists. For those embarking on their two-wheel journey, the Suzuki SV650 provides an opportunity to experience the thrill of riding while building confidence and skill in a controlled and enjoyable manner.